In Affinity Photo, you can apply gradients to any layer. So in Affinity Photo, what you need to do is go to the gradient tool. Here's the gradient tool. Go to the layer and just simply click and then drag down or across whatever angle you want to apply it and release. Now you'll see the gradient you get probably be like white and black, which is not particularly convenient. So undo. What you can then do, if you want to change it, simply just go up here and click here. And you'll notice you've got swatches, colours and gradient. You can change the gradient here. You can simply add all kinds of stops. Please check out my videos on how to add stops to gradients. But the best way, simply go to swatches and you'll probably have a selection of different swatches, gradient ones. You can find them here in the gradients. So with that, just simply select one of those and you can see it's applied. Now at this point, it doesn't look great, but what you can do with the gradient tool active there, you can now modify that position there as well as the various settings for it. You can also change it from radial to linear or whatever it currently is. So maybe go for linear. And you can also drag it out, and also you can go along here and add additional stops or remove colours from your gradient as well. So if you decide, you know what, you want to position that somewhere else, you can just drag it along, click there, drag that along and change the gradient in literally thousands of different ways. Exactly the same as before. If you want to see the original image as well, simply go to a layer, and then now of course you find you can't change it. All you've got is the option to fade, move, etc., which is not very convenient. So a workaround for that is let's just undo all that now, get back the original image. With the original image, just create a layer. So you can go to layer and new layer. With a new layer, you can now apply your gradient. Again, just go up here, click here, go to swatches, click one of the swatches, something like that, and you can manipulate this, move it around, all those sorts of things. But also what you've got with the layers, you can go over here and you can change the blend mode as well as the opacity. So if you want, say multiply, so you can now see the underlying image and you can manipulate that, of course, exactly the same as before, just move it around, reposition it, etc. Another option, let's just remove that completely. You can go to layer and down here to new fill layer. So new fill layer, and that will create a special gradient layer. So again, got the gradient tool active there, and you can simply apply a gradient, any of the gradients. Again, you can change it simply by clicking here, go to swatches, and maybe select a different gradient. With that, you've now got the ability to change blend modes again, and it's also still live. So you might decide once you've changed things, you might select a different layer, go back to that fill, and you've still got access to this, and you can reposition it, maybe move it over one of the eyes or something else. If you've got any questions about gradients and the gradient tool, please put it in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel, always add new videos about Affinity Photo, Designer, Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects and many, many others. Bye.